guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today's look is a very simple Valentine's date night look, and I'm going to start off by packing the P. Louise base in shade 3 on my eyelid. Using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Ting, I'm going to buff it just above my eyelid, and this is like one of my most favourite products currently, and I use it for contouring with and obviously bronzing with, and I love it on the eyes. It just gives my skin tone a really nice bronze look. It is so beautiful. The first pink shade I'm taking is from the 35B Colour Burst palette, and I'm going to pack it slightly underneath Ting before blending it out and then buffing Ting back into the look with no new product, so I'm just using the brush with the product that was left on it already. Going back into the same Morphe palette, I'm going to pack on this gorgeous purpley pink tone shade, I think it is, to deepen the eye look before blending it out. I'm going to keep my eyelid space clear of any colour so it's easy for the next part of the look and you're not going to struggle getting the next part done basically. Okay, going back in with the P. Louise base, I'm going to reapply a really small amount to my lid. I'm not going to cut my crease, but it's going to be something similar and more natural looking and soft. Taking this pale colour, I'm going to gently pat it onto my eyelid and then blend it out. Make sure you are switching between the other eye brushes you've used, just to start bringing the eye look together so it doesn't look harsh, because we want to make sure your boo or whoever you're with loves your eye look just as much as you do. Also make sure you take a clean fluffy brush if you feel like you really need to diffuse the edges of the eye look to make it blend seamlessly into the skin. Back to Ting. So I'm going to be using this under the waterline and also that deep purpley pink tone we used before, and then I'm just going to use a nice fluffy brush to blend it all out. Using the same pale shade as before, I'm just going to buff that into the inner corners of my eye. Moving on to the eyeliner, and the one I'm using is my all-time fave, and it's the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. We want to do a bold sharp wing, okay guys, to let people know we will cut a bitch if we have to while we're on this little Valentine's date. For my waterline, I'm using this nude pencil by Revolution just to make my eyes look a bit more wide awake so we don't look a bit dead on a date, because, you know, that ain't cute, girl. So I realised this eye was a little bit less like deep in colour than the other eye, so I'm just going to take that same deep purpley pink shade we used before and just deepen the crease a bit more. Dipping into the 6th shade in the Origin Beauty Bay palette, I'm just going to pop that on the inner corners of my eye. Next I'm taking my favourite lashes by Coco Lashes in the style Stellar. Now I absolutely love highlighting my Cupid's bow, so I'm just going to take my favourite Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in Luminous Gold and I'm just going to buff that into the skin. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to take LA Splash's Classic Horror Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sirene. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but you know. And this is a really beautiful berry colour, and I really wanted a really bold pink, deep pink colour for this look. I didn't want to go for red, although it does look red on camera, which is slightly annoying, but it's such a beautiful shade this. I love it so much. So I totally forgot to use a powder highlight on my Cupid's bow, so I'm just going to pop that on now and just touch up my nose as well. And that's the Valentine's date night look done. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a comment below and a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!